Hello everyone, welcome to our channel I Can Learn. If you haven't seen our other videos, do check them as well. If you like them, then please give a thumbs up, share our videos and subscribe to our channel. Hello everyone. In our previous video, the last topic we discussed was valency. We shall be discussing about valencies in the upcoming chapters in detail. If you haven't seen our previous video, do watch that as well, and if you like it, then please give a thumbs up. In our today's video, let us start off by discussing names and symbols of some ions. Down below is given a table in which we have different columns representing valency, name of ion, symbol, non-metallic element, symbol, polyatomic ions and symbols. So let us start off by discussing this table first. Under valency 1, few ions which are given in this table are sodium, potassium, silver and copper. The respective symbols of these ions are Na+, K+, Ag+, and Cu+. Non-metallic elements have hydrogen, hydride, chloride, bromide, and iodide, and the corresponding symbols are H-, H+, Cl-, Br-, and I-. Similarly, we have polyatomic ions such as ammonium, hydroxide, nitrate, and their symbols NH4+, OH-, NO3-. Similarly, we have given ions, nonmetallic elements and polyatomic ions corresponding to valency 2 and 3, which can be checked from this table. Let us now move forward. Writing chemical formula. In our previous videos, we discussed little bit about writing chemical formulas. Today, we shall be discussing in detail how to write chemical formulae. The rules that you have to follow while writing a chemical formula are as follows. The valencies or charges on the ion must balance. It is very important that the charges and valencies must be balanced in the ion. When a compound consists of a metal and a non-metal, the name or the symbol of metal is written first. It should always be remembered that whenever a compound consists of a metal and a non-metal, then it is important to write the name or the symbol of the metal first and then of the non-metal. Let us consider, for example, we have calcium oxide. Here, calcium is a metal, therefore its name is being written first. Further, we have NaCl and iron sulfide, copper oxide, etc., where oxygen, chlorine, sulfur are non-metals, as a result of which they are written on the right side, that is, after writing the symbol of the metal. Whereas calcium, sodium, iron and copper are metals and written on the left, that is, metals are always written first. In compounds formed with polyatomic ions, the ion is enclosed in a bracket before writing the number to indicate the ratio. In case the number of polyatomic ion is 1, the bracket is not required. For example, we have NaOH. Here in the given example of NaOH, the number of polyatomic ion is 1. Therefore, bracket is not required. But elsewise, it is very important that the ion is enclosed in a bracket before writing the number to indicate the ratio. Let us now move forward. Formulae of simple compounds. Further in today's video, we shall be discussing formulae of simple compounds. The simplest compounds, which are made up of two different elements, are called binary compounds. Simple compounds which comprise of two different elements are known as binary compounds. While writing the chemical formula for compounds, First of all, we write the constituent element symbol and the corresponding valencies. Then we must cross over the valency of the combining atoms. Let us discuss this properly with the help of an example here. We have been given the formula of hydrogen chloride. It comprises of hydrogen and chloride. Writing down the symbol first, we have H and Cl, and we know that the corresponding valencies of both are 1 and 1. Therefore, crossing over the valencies, the final obtained compound is HCl. It must be noted that it is completely balanced. Let us discuss a few more examples. Formula of hydrogen sulfide. Here the valency of hydrogen is 1 and that of sulfide is 2. By crisscrossing the valencies, the finally obtained compound is H2S, which is known as hydrogen sulfide. Discussing another example, here we have carbon tetrachloride. First of all, the symbols of carbon and chloride are written, that is C and Cl. Then the corresponding valencies to carbon and chloride are written, and further they are crisscrossed. And finally, the formula of the compound obtained is CCl4. Moving forward, for magnesium chloride, we write the symbol of cation Mg2 plus first, followed by the symbol of anion Cl minus. Then their charges are crisscrossed to get the formula. Formula of magnesium chloride. As magnesium is a metal, therefore it is written first, and the corresponding valency of which we have 2, and then chloride. And further, both these are crisscrossed, and finally the formula of the compound obtained is MgCl2. Thus, in magnesium chloride, there are 2 chloride ions for each magnesium ion. The positive and negative charges must balance each other and overall structure must be neutral. Here it can be seen that there are 2 chloride ions for each magnesium. That is 2 Cl minus ion for each magnesium 2 plus ion, as a result of which the positive and negative charges balance out each other and the overall structure obtained is neutral. In our today's video, we discussed valencies of various ions. We discussed how to write down chemical formulae, and also we discussed few examples related to that. That is it for our today's video. If you like our video, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.